everybody, welcome back to Mr. Mason's 6th grade class activities. This week, we're making paracord keychains. Now these are our only supplies we're going to need for this week's activity. It's just our 6.5 feet of paracord and our little keychain clip.
All right, now before we move on, class, does anyone have any questions at all? Ooh, Mr. Mason, I have a question. Mr. Mason. Please. Anyone else have any questions? Mr. Mason, I have a question. All right, cool guy. What's your question?
Yes. What's paracord, Mr. Mason?
Oh, that's like actually a really good question. Let's learn about it. Paracord, or also known as parachute cord, is a lightweight nylon curved rope that was invented in 1935 and originally used in the suspension lines of parachutes. And a quick fun fact, this was also used by astronauts during the 82nd Space Shuttle mission to repair the Hubble Space Telescope. Now that quick history lesson's over, let's start making some keychains.
Okay, so our first step is going to be taking our paracord, grabbing your keychain clip, threading your paracord through your keychain clip down to the bottom of it, and you're gonna even out your paracord to where it's evenly distributed with equal lengths on equal sides of this keychain clip right here. So what that means, one right here, right in the middle. We're just meeting these two ends over here. And we're just putting it like that for right now. Now that we have our paracord evened out, we're gonna basically choose how long we want our keychain to be. And I want mine to be around this length, maybe a little longer. Let's go right here. And yeah, that's how far I want mine to go out. Basically all we gotta do now is do our loops and make our keychain.
Now that we've decided how long we want our keychain to be, it's time to start making the loops. These loops we're going to be making are called cobra loops. It sounds kind of difficult, but honestly it's pretty easy and simple. All we have to do is choose where you want your length to be, of course. Get your first loop, make it on the left side, and you're going to go under both of these. Now we need to make the loop on the other side. Have it come underneath this right one. So it's basically going to be looking like this so far, but this needs to go under here and over this right piece of string here. So that means over right there, and bam. Now we are ready to make our first knot in our keychain. Basically all we have to do is take this end right here of the right loop under here and put it right inside of this loop. Just like that. And you'll see it starts to knot already. Now you take these two ends and you tie them together, just like that. Now that's a little long, but you can mess around with that basically as much as you want and try and get it at the specific length that you want it. I'm gonna move mine down a little bit right here, and we'll be right back. All right, now that I have it moved down a little bit, it's at a more reasonable length for my keychain. This is what your first knot is basically gonna look like. And now all we need to do is do those same exact loops that I just taught you, but you just do it on the left and right side now. So instead of having that one where it's looped over here and then looped over here and then it comes over here into the left one, it's actually just gonna go switch now, and now it's gonna go to the right. And then once you get to the right, you switch it back to the left, and then you just keep doing those cobra knots all the way up to the point where you get to like right here. just like that, guys, we have our paracord keychain. Now our next step is to grab some pair of scissors or something, just something to cut it with. Just snip off the ends. And there you have it, guys. You have your paracord keychain.
And here's our finished product, guys. I took these ends right here that were coming off and I burnt them off with a lighter, but I don't recommend you guys do that alone. Get a parent or an adult to help you out with it. But yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. Now they're ready to go on my keys. Cool. Hey, cool guy. Check these out, man. Oh yeah, Mr. Mason, nice keychain. I'm so stealing the car. It's really cool. So taking it. All right, guys, that's it for this week's activity. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope you guys made really cool keychains. I'll see you guys next week.